Yo guys, what is up? I just finished work today. Welcome back to JR14. Today we're going to be talking about, I think I broke my car. So guys, I am at my boy Calvin's house. As you can see, his Mark 6 is in the driveway. Today, it looks like we actually, the car is not broken. Let me just first say that. It's a thing that can happen on any normal car, and with excessive miles, or especially in this case when you're pushing a lot more power and timing, this tends to fail. I believe I'm getting, well, randomly I'm getting check engine lights, misfires, car maybe sometimes runs lean, or it may go on a limp mode sometimes. And I think the result of that is the spark plugs. I'm actually, as you guys know, I'm currently in the revision stages of my ProTune, and unfortunately I hit a couple of misfires while doing my revisions. So shout out to ShopDAP, because they definitely had the plugs. Everyone's asking me, did you go with the RS7 plugs? No, I did not. Currently I am not IS38 yet, so I spoke to Paul Barrett, I spoke to a few people, which the OEM GTI, the GTI plugs that come from factory are pretty bulletproof. And I'm not bulletproof, but solid. So we're actually got the valve cover off, so we're gonna be taking these guys off right here. These guys, as you can see down the thing, these are the coil packs, and we're gonna be removing these and replacing the spark plugs with some good OEM plugs. So without further ado, it's not gonna be a full installation video. By the way, if you do want a full installation video, look in the upper right hand corner of the screen. I will link you to Deutsch Auto Parts' full video installing the RS7 plugs. No matter what plugs they are, the same process as far as DIY is the same. So we're actually gonna, film it a little bit and, see, hopefully the car gets better. So this is gonna be a short video, so hopefully we can get this done. So without further ado, let's get this fixed. So we're currently taking them out, and we found, focus, there we go, yep. That's what's causing it. See, it's burnt at the top. So I have a Pops and Bangs tune on my ProTune. And as you can see, it's white at the top. That's pretty much like unburned fuel. I usually do see at the exit of my exhaust too. And when I took the downpipe off to inspect the exhaust, I noticed it there too. But we're gonna replace all of these. We got all new 4 of them here. Calvin's working a little bit. I actually did all of this for the first time, not for the first time, but I actually took everything out myself. We got the coil packs out. Nothing happened as far as the boots on mine. And usually this is like a really tough part right here. So hopefully after doing all this work, hopefully this will solve the check engine light and misfire issue. It should be, because usually that's what the go-to is. And a lot of experts in the Volkswagen community say on Mark 7s you should be replacing your spark plugs when you're tuned at stage 2, like every 30,000 miles or 40,000 miles. So I'm right now at the 40K. A video update on the 40K mark of how the car has been will be coming up very soon. And yeah, let's get all the rest of these done, and let's fire this car up and get everything finished. All right, I came okay. This is what a burnt, not a burnt, but like a spark plug that's pretty much wear, like normal wear. When it's time to let it go. Wow, this camera's amazing. If it focuses, that'd be great. There we go. So as you can see, this is what it normally should look like, as far as the wear on the plug. Now I just took out cylinder 2, and this could have really screwed up some crazy things. Now hopefully we can zoom in on this. Do you see the crack from the plastic electrode? This could have went donezo with my car. This could have really cost me, if I'm lucky, the top end of the engine. So whew, I'm so glad that I just changed these, that I'm changing these out, because because this is bad. So thank God, because I should have. So let's just put the ones in, and we'll be good to go. All right, so as you can see, We put all the bolts back on. We put the grounds back on. We put the coil packs back in. None of the boot, like I said before, none of the boots ripped out. I gotta really clean this engine bay. This engine bay is disgusting. But yeah, all of it went well. And the downpipe is holding in well. Nothing wrong with that. And we're good to go. So I'm gonna put the valve cover back on and start it up, and hopefully all is well with the world. And we'll see. But yeah. Alright, let's see how it does. We're gonna start it up. See if everything's good. Idle's a lot better now. Let's go check it out. Huh? Very good. Sounds a lot better now. The idle's a lot quieter. Alright guys, that concludes this video, JR14. Hope you guys make sure you do subscribe, make sure you join the channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, and we're definitely going to do more maintenance stuff on the Volkswagen GTI Project Mark 7 as well. Like I said, it's around 40,000 miles now. Yes, I know I drive a lot, but we're definitely going to come out with more content soon. So you know what, take care, and see you in the next one. Take care.